Hey there, nature explorers. Welcome to our adventure today. We are diving deep into the world of amazing plants. Plants are like the Earth's green superheroes. They come in all shapes and sizes, and they do some pretty incredible things. Let's find out more. First off, let's talk about roots. These are like the plant's underground anchors. They hold the plant in place and help it drink water from the ground. Next up, leaves. Like the plant's food factories. They use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to make food for the plant. That's called photosynthesis. Now, here is the star of the show. Flowers. Flowers come in all colors and sizes. They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, helping plants make seeds for new plants. Speaking of seeds, plants are incredible at making new ones. They start as tiny seeds and grow into strong green sprouts. Look at this tree. It's got delicious fruits. Did you know? Fruits are like nature's way of protecting plant seeds and helping them spread. But not all the plants eat sunshine and water. Some, like Venus flytrap, are carnivore. They catch insects for their nutrients. Now, here's the vital part. Water. Just like we need a drink, plants need water to survive. It travels from the roots to all parts of the plants. Plants also create homes for many animals. In places like rainforest, they provide shelter and food for countless creatures. And you know what's super cool? You can grow plants too. Even a simple potted plant can bring a touch of nature into your home. So there you have it. Young nature lovers, plants are incredible and vital for our planet. Let's take good care of them, just like they take care of us. Wait, there's more. Plants are like nature's air purifier. They take in carbon dioxide, the gas we breathe out, and release fresh oxygen for us to breathe in. So they keep our air clean and fresh. Even in the toughest places, like deserts, there are special plants. They are expert at conserving water. They have thick, waxy coatings to prevent water loss and survive in the scorching sun. Check out these vibrant leaves. Some plants change colors in the fall. It's like they're putting in a colorful show before winter comes. And did you know some plants grow really fast, like the bean plant? Do you remember Jack and the beanstalk? Can shoot up and touch the sky in just a few weeks. Many of our favorite foods come from plants. Wheat turn into bread, carrots make a tasty snack, and potatoes become yummy fries. When it's time to make new plants, some plants do it in style. They explode, sending seeds flying in all directions. It's like a tiny fireworks show. Just like how we need haircuts, some plants need trimming too. It's called pruning. It helps them grow bigger and look neater. Plants are full of surprises. They're all around us doing incredible things every day. Let's appreciate and take care of these green wonders. Thanks for joining us in this amazing plants adventure. Keep exploring the natural world. And remember, plants are our friends. I'm Mohammed Anis. Keep supporting. We'll meet you in another video. Stay tuned. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.